Hi everyone, my name is Pranav Kumar. I'm currently working as a lab engineer at Texas Instruments. So I've done my diploma in electronics through NTTF. I started pursuing this after my 10th standard itself. So this was suggested to be by my uncle, who's a working professional, and in his company there are several NTTF pass outs who are working there, and he told me that these trainees have very good technical skills and they're very hard working. So that is how I came to know about NTTF. And the reason for me choosing diploma in electronics was because as a kid I was very passionate about all this electronic stuff, right? I like to build my own circuits, so that fueled me into taking up and I like to do things practically, right? I wanted to do things hands-on, so that is why I chose up this particular course. I would like to thank NTTF because of all the practical knowledge that helped me get a very good kickstart in my professional journey, right? So currently I'm working at Texas Instruments, and even in my everyday life I'm using the concept that I've learned over here. So yeah, most of my friends, they chose the conventional route, that is to do their 12th and then to do their engineering. But, as I said, after my 10th I was not very sure as to a particular course, diploma in electronics. That and because of its practical approach, right, that gave me a very it made me very passionate about what I was doing, right? Instead of just learning things theoretically, I was also doing things practically. So that made me more passionate about electronics in general. And now, since I'm doing my B.Tech as well, that is helping me out. But I think those are the things that I really learned from NTTF. In NTTF, I got to work on several projects. Like we have here something called as weekend projects, right, where you can try with different microcontrollers, build some different projects. I also got to represent NTTF at a state level IoT competition, and we actually won the first place. Then I also got an industry project at Snyder. So these are some of the things that not everybody gets, and I was very lucky few who got that opportunity, right? And during these competitions I actually got to make a whole solution. So that actually gave me a confidence. Hey, I can do something on my own. Whenever I see a problem, I think how can I solve this problem by creating a system level solution, and that. So I think that is a confidence that I think NTTF has embedded in me, and I'm very thankful for that. So once you're doing your diploma, you are doing things more practically, right? You are actually not just learning things, learning the formulas and all that stuff. You're actually going to a lab, right? An NTTF curriculum is such a way that you almost like in a week, at least 2 or 3 days is dedicated for the labs. So once you're going in the lab, you're actually building the circuits. When you're testing it out, that gives you that really helps you learn in a better way. So I think in that way, I think doing it in a 10 plus 3 plus 3 way is a better approach.
You get a foundation in engineering rather than just an engineering degree.
Especially if you're doing it from NTTF, all the teachers here are very good, right? As I said, all the foundations that they have given us, we are using it even till this date. So in a way, yeah, it's better than engineering that you get your foundations very strong, and then later you keep on building on top of it.